and today we're going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime.
So
what you'll be needing is
glue.
Some glue.
You'll be needing some hot water and some borax powder and solution.
You'll also need any like shaving cream. We kind of got this shaving gel.
And spoons
to mix
and a bowl.
And optional, we have food dye.
Yes, I've got this green color. She's got a turquoise color.
Yeah.
So we're going to put our glue amount in.
Yeah. Okay. So you can go first.
Okay.
I'll start making the solution. So what you're gonna need for the solution is like 1 teaspoon or tablespoon.
You can put as much glue as you want. I repeat, as much. So this is how you make the solution. You put 1 teaspoon of borax. So how much glue
you're gonna mix for Here's my glue.
So we're just going to add this. So you can add your first amount. This is how it looks like.
Oh!
We're just gonna mix it. Oh my gosh.
Then once you finish with that, you're gonna add in your solution.
Yes. So
a little bit at a time.
You want that much at a time?
Thank you.
Then you just get about
keep
a cupful. Okay guys, we're just going to say that today's question of the day is, what is your favorite type of slime?
What's yours, Audrey?
I have to say, it's got to be normal slime. I like normal slime.
I think mine might either be clear slime or jelly cube slime.
Jelly cube, or I actually like all slimes, so yeah. Guys.
So maybe if we can get to a certain amount of subscribers, we can give away some slimes that we make.
Maybe, yeah. But that'll be a long time because we're just starting. I actually like all slimes, so yeah.
So maybe if we can get to a certain amount of subscribers, we can give away some slimes that we make.
Maybe, yeah. But that'll be a long time because we're just starting. I'm gonna give you a little asthma. No slime.
If you don't know what asthma is, then it's basically ASMR. Satisfying. So
let's both put our slimes up here. Could show some asthma.
There's glue in my way.
Okay.
So let's see
Just
here.
open it. I'm gonna do 2 drops.
Me too. This can like stain your hands, by the way.
Some ASMR right here.
So I cannot see mine yet. Oh, it's on my fingers.
Oh gosh.
It'll stay on your fingers for a few days,
Yeah.
but it's okay. It's all worth it
See
in the
that
end.
guy? Right? Bless you. Whoa, bless you.
No, it's the part out. Thank you, by the way.
So this is the color my slime turned out. I'm gonna do ASMR again. And guys, on my Musically, I do lots of ASMRs with my slimes.
Yes, I do comedy.
I do everything. Yeah. So there's the green. It looks so cool.
This is mine. It's like kind of like a marble-ish like color together. You can see there's like tints of green and then there's the overall blue. So yeah, this was a nice batch of slime. So this is how you make slime.
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Well, we'll see you guys in our next video. Make sure to like this video
And subscribe and
turn on notifications to be in our notification
family,
Family.
squad, whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hold on. I need to do epic crunch. What? I must do an epic crunch. Guys, I just need some ASMR from you. Here, this is all for you guys, the slime lovers.
Ooh. Some background too.
And then this is my epic crunch.
Ooh.
That's for you guys. Bye.
Bye.